doing today? I hope everybody is doing well. Today I am bringing you a look with this palette right here. I got this from Amazon and it is the Grape Shot palette. It is from the brand Ucanbe and it's so beautiful, guys. So cute. So I mean, I love purple colors and on my lids, and oh my god, look how pretty. It's so pretty. And I was like, I haven't bring them I haven't bringing them a purple look recently, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you one today. So pretty. It does not have a mirror. It's in the plasticky side, but yeah, it's nice. Like, packaging is plastic. What can you do? You know, as long as these perform well, that's what I'm interested in. And they are cruelty free. The palette is 0.38 ounces, and yeah, look at this shade, guys. It's weird. It's like bolitas, you seen that? I'm gonna go ahead off camera really quick. I'm gonna do my face. Keep in mind that I have a red nose right here. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera because we went down to the shore and of course I got burned. So my nose right here is peeling, and this right here was peeling as well, and a little bit of my forehead, so bypass that. And yeah, you guys already know what to do. Grab a snack, a favorite drink, relax, sit back and enjoy the video. Eyebrows done, primer, tint moisturizer, concealer. So let's begin. We're going to take this palette right here called the Grape Shot. They do not have names, so I'm going to go ahead and go into this shade right here, and I'm going to use this as my transition color. I'm going to put this all over my lid, into my crease, and I'm using the Wet n Wild brush, and this is the crease brush. Oh, let me find out you have a lot of pigment. So I'm beginning here, putting it on the outer corner, and I'm just going to go ahead and build this shade. I'm going to just build it up. I'm going to put it all over my crease, into the lid, and I'm going to try to elongate this look. So yeah, I'm going to do the same thing in the other eye. I got a little thirsty, so I'm drinking my sparkling water. I'm going to start to apply this purple right here all over my crease, and look how pigment, guys. I love it. I love.
Por ahí todas esas poses que tú conoces, gracias a mi mujer, ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, cita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde sea. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies, tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. Now I'm taking this beautiful light purple shimmer, and I am going to be applying that on my lid, which you're going to see at first it was okay, but I needed it to be more like vibrant. So I went ahead and I sprayed it like I always do, and it came out beautiful. I'm going to put this all over my lid. Now I'm going to take this other shimmer. It's a little bit darker than the one I put all over my lid, and I'm just going to add it to the end right here, to the outer corner of my lid. I just want to like blend something together where it transitions from darker to lighter. Now I'm going to take the purple that I used on my lid, on my crease, I'm sorry, and I'm going to just blend everything together so it will be no harsh lines, and the glitter or the shimmer will just combine with the crease and everything will be seamless.
I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to put this in the inner corner. Also, I'm going to just tap this under my eyebrow bone to highlight it.
Now I'm taking this darker mauve shade. It's like a different kind of purple, and I'm gonna apply it in the bottom lash line. I just want that pop of color, which is gonna look beautiful. And I'm gonna blend because, guys, the trick is to blend, 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 blend until your hands falls off. Now I'm taking this darker shade right here and I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my lower lash line. I'm also going to drag it a little bit upwards because I want to create that intensity, like transitioning into like a lighter to a darker. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right here.
Por ahí todas esas poses que tú conoces gracias a mi mujer ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé.
This is the look I came up with. I hope you guys like it. I did when I went off camera, I did put eyeliner, I put mascara, I put blush, a highlight, all the goodness. I needed a little bit of something, so I went ahead and I did a floating liner, which is this one in the top with this, where is it? With this liner right here. I put a picture of the box that I bought from Amazon as well, if you guys are interested, and they're very good quality. The lashes that I used, which I love, was these, and these I got from Dollar Tree, and they are in the style Rihanna. It's right there. I think I picked this up when it was Halloween because of this, I'm assuming, but I just love them. I just love how flirty and how thin the lash line was. So let's bypass that it was for Halloween. And I really love this look. I elongated it, and yeah, something different, something more artsy. Yeah, so what do I think about this palette? I do like it. Very pigmented, it worked very well, blended beautifully. It did have a lot of kick up, but that's beside the point. They perform it beautifully. That's I don't go on if you have kick up, if it has fallout. I'm not gonna use it. I don't like it. Some people do, and I respect everybody's opinion. If you do not like kick up, then this palette is not for you. But it did not have not even one drop of fallout. I took the tape out. No fallout, nothing on my cheek, because you guys know already my face was done. Let me give you some swatches.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que
this guy, beautiful, beautiful, and I still have some in my fingers. So yeah, I do like this palette a lot. There's other colors in there, but I wanted to pick up this one because there's a, I think it's a pink, a red, a yellow, but since I have those colors, I was like, let me have one that is just based on purple, which I believe I have a Colourpop one, but I already reviewed it and stuff. So yeah, I believe I seen this brand at Five Below. Let me know if it's true or not. Maybe I'll go by and see if it's true. Yeah, so I really like it, guys. This palette will be linked below, as well as my rings, because I know a lot of people ask about my rings, and my rings are going to be listed below as well. I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, and until my next video, I love you guys so much.